then I'll plumb.
Okay, fine.
So, where is the bathroom?
It's right around the kitchen.
Can you just take me there? Besides, why did you get your toilet clogged? Can you give me a sec?
Sure.
All done.
What did you do?
I called someone to help me because this is a mess. Oh, that may be her. Man's here with supplies and also be your assistant. Call me, right?
Assistant, who is this?
My tools, and I need help. Also a plumber.
Whatever, now clean and plumb my toilet.
Wait, we are getting ready to clean pickles. Pickles?
I dropped them there by an accident. Just go! Oh my god, what happened here? Ah!
So, now we are all suited up, and now we have to plumb the toilet. So, ladies first.
Wait a minute, I never got your name.
Oh, my name is Victoria.
Oh, Victoria, nice name. I guess now it's the time to plumb the toilet. You guys still haven't plumbed my toilet?
Well, we...
Wow, just go in!
Geez, what a grumpy old man.
Oh my god, I have toilet water all over me!
Quit your whining, we have suits on.
Do you feel shaking?
Yeah, I do. I think we left one more. We have to get it out. Yeah, but it's still pretty deep in. Well, we still have to get it out.
Okay.
I got it!
Did you guys get them all out?
Oh, yeah, I did. Excuse me? We did.
Finally, you're leaving.
Well, it was worth getting $1,000. Yeah, you're right, but you need to be more brave, you know? Like, you could have done it all yourself.